Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off low data mode on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. In your home screen, go to Settings. In the Settings, find the Cellular. After that, in the Cellular, choose the cellular data options. Then, in the cellular data options, find the low data mode, then turn on the switch button. And it's now enabled. And if you want to turn it off, just press again the switch button to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off the low data mode on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!